Masige po na lahat and let's all welcome our birthday celebrant, Mommy Lori. Let's give her a big round of applause.
And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life. It feels alright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. 'Cause I love this life. Yeah, it feels alright. And future's bright. It feels alright. Oh.
That is the
Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.
Si Mami Lori po ay mapagmahal na ina po. Lagi niya iniintindi kahit sino man, kaibigan, kapatid, mga pamangkin. At palabigay po siya sa lahat ng tao po. Kaya nabiyayaan siya ng magandang buhay.
Watching it all come together, beauty taking shape.
Mrs. Lanusa, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Sana patuloy kang magkaroon ng marami pang blessings, gaya ng blessings na nabibigay mo sa buhay ng maraming tao.
Stay as you are, always smiling, be happy.
Mahal na mahal ka namin.
We look forward to many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Story of our life.
Si Mama Lori ay strict with the reason. Mabuti siyang nanay, very generous sa mga kapatid. And for me, siya yung pinaka-best
We
mom.
could go. We got all this time right here between.
Happy birthday, Mama. Na-surprise ka ba sa ginawa namin? Akala mo kasi hindi namin iniintindi ang birthday mo. Ayan, na-surprise ka. Kahit yung mga gusto mong in-invite, nandyan sila. Kahit yung mga malalapit sa'yo, nandyan sila. Present para sa'yo, Mama. Happy birthday, good health, and more blessing to come. Love you!
This could be the story of our life. One foot in front.
Si Mama Lori ay love na love ko. As in super. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siyang tumitigil maging isang nanay sa amin. Even though may mga sarili na kaming family. So very supportive. Kaya love na love kita. Happy birthday, Ma. Very thankful ako and grateful na ikaw yung naging mother ko. Lahat ng support mo, even though na kumbaga may mga kanya-kanya na kaming family, andun ka pa rin. So, I'll be forever here by your side. Thank you and I love you.
Of our life.